Welcome to HVAC Repair, Kinton, Oregon, right now heating and cooling. Our address is 12725 Southwest Millikan Way, Suite 300A, Beaverton, Oregon 97005. If you're seeking dependable HVAC repair and heat pump installation contractor in your region, you should turn at none other than Right Now Heating and Cooling. Our experienced team offers services for both residential and commercial properties. With over 25 years working experience, we boast all of the expertise and knowledge needed to tackle even the most stubborn HVAC repair issues. Our skilled HVAC repair and heat pump installation technicians and contractors are extremely skilled in all aspects of HVAC repair industry. They deliver exceptional service that includes outstanding results, exceptional customer service and competitive pricing. Our team is proud to be current with all codes and technology to ensure your family and home in good health. We enjoy our work, and that can be seen in the high quality of our work on each job regardless of size or the level of complexity. Our HVAC repair and heat pump installation contractors handle small heating and cooling jobs from routine maintenance to large central installation of cooling and heating systems. Only factory-trained technicians are employed. They're the most skilled and most reliable professionals in the field. Your job will be completed properly the first time. At Right Now Heating and Cooling, we anticipate to continue our relationship after the new equipment is installed or fixed. Our regular services are designed to ensure your unit operates at its peak efficiency, without interruptions or breakdowns. We provide a variety of services such as heat pump installation, heat pump repair, air conditioner repair, air conditioner installations, HVAC installation and HVAC repair, central heating repair, central heating installations, thermostat repair, thermostat installations, as well as many other services. Our policy has always been simple, that is to offer a reasonable price that is based on qualified HVAC repair and heat pump installation technicians with no additional charges and 100% satisfaction guarantee on the quality of work. If you need any heating or cooling repairs, or for installation services at your house or business, we have HVAC repair and heat pump installation technicians are available to help you. We have pricing options for each repair/expert guaranteed work. We offer emergency and weekend service, as along with warranties for all labor and parts. Visit our website, or call us at 503-300-6124.